Greetings from ThemeRex team. Today we will review the most ambitious project on the market, Qwery, multi-purpose business WordPress theme. It's a multi-skin Elementor-based theme with a modern design and powerful functionality. It was just released by a trusted Power Elite author on Quora Themes. So let's check the demo. First, we are headed to a presentation page. Here we can check some pre-made demos, filter them by categories. As we can see, there are plenty of ready-to-use skins, and there will be much more pretty soon. The theme has a one-click demo installation tool, 2 advanced booking systems, Elementor Page Builder, unlimited pre-made elements, WooCommerce, events calendar, portfolio layouts, header and footer builder, and plenty of other customization features. Now let's take a look at Qwery from the inside. First, let's install and play around with it. When you download it from ThemeForest, you get the archive like this. Go ahead and unzip it. Then you'll have a folder with some files. You need Qwery and Qwery child. In your dashboard, navigate Appearance, Themes, Add New. Then click Upload Theme and choose the zip file from the folder. You need zip name Qwery. Then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Then it will offer you to install and activate the ThemeRex add-ons. So let's do that. The next step is the activation. Enter your name, email address, and the purchase code. Then click on the Submit button. The next step is the Setup wizard. Here you can install the child theme, skip it and proceed further, or disconnect your license from current domain. We highly recommend installing the child theme. Click Upload Theme, choose File, and then use Qwery child from the same folder. Then click Install Now. When it's done, click Activate. It will take you back to the Setup wizard, so click Start Setup. On this page, you can deactivate add-ons for audio and visual effects. They're all awesome, so I'll keep them all and skip the step. On the next step, you will need to choose the skin. Let's check the main demo. It goes with a clean design and reactive floating elements that look really awesome. Then we can see featured blocks with a nice hover effect. After that, we have a split info block, again with some cool effects. Next, we see some services and counters portfolio. And my favorite visual effect with this blue background. Next, we see our team and our background goes out. After that, we see another design solution for your team, testimonial slider, recent articles, also scrollable, and call to action at the end. Now I want you to take a look at the number of pre-made modules and their variations, about us, services, events, teams, pricing, etc. And check the section Elements. Here are more than 1000 pre-made elements you can use in your project. For instance, buttons. It offers a large set of buttons with different styles, over effects, accent colors, sizes, etc. If you go to a progress bar section, you find a collection of pre-made solutions combined with other elements. And now let's go back and quickly check some other skin. For example, barbershop. It starts with the revolution slider and call to action. Then we see some nicely designed services, info section, pricing block, our team, WooCommerce store section, and some testimonials. But let's go back and choose the main skin and proceed with the next step. On the next screen, you can choose the plugins. We will select all of them and click on the Install and Activate button. The process may take some time. On the next screen, you can install the demo data. I'll choose to make a full import. Please note, full import will erase all the data you currently have on your site, so use it only on a new WordPress installation. It may take a few minutes, so don't close your browser. When the import is done, you are headed to a quick setup window. Here you can customize your color scheme, add your logo, change layout for your pages, edit settings, choose the sidebar styles and positioning, and much more. We will keep default values and press finish. Let's go to our website and see what we got. Okay, everything is just the same as we saw on the demo. Now I'll show you how to edit your site with the Elementor Page Builder. Click Edit with Elementor on the top bar. You can see that each section and block can be edited with Elementor. You just click on it and change settings on the left side. Let's do some quick change, for example, counters. The changes are visible immediately when you change anything. You can do exactly the same thing with any block on the page. Let's go back to our site. Now I'll show you some awesome features that you can use on your query-based site. Navigate elements and let's say fancy hovers. The theme is equipped with this awesome feature when you hover the link and it shows you the featured image of the target page. It can be done within the posts, feed, and directly in your texts. Also, you can enable it in your tabs, accordions, and even tag cloud. Now let's check some interactive links elements. This is a nice interactive slider. You can slide it by hovering on the titles on the right side or swipe sliders on the left side. Below is the alternative version of this slider. Now let's check stacked section elements. Here you can enable interactive links and nice vertical slider effect. It looks super cool. Next, I'll show you the sliders collection. The first one can be used by swiping and clipping on the tabs below. The services slider is also interactive and can be used by swiping and clicking on the controls above it. Below we can see different variations of sliders for your gallery, portfolio, and testimonials. Let's move up and check auto type elements. On this page you will see different examples of blocks with the auto type texts that you can use on your future site. And we've also added the before and after functionality that can be extremely useful for your modern sites. Now let's quickly take a look at the theme options for WooCommerce Store. We'll check some pages, layouts, and product styles. Here's the default WooCommerce page, and this is one of the product pages. As we can see, all the elements are styled pretty well and work fine. Next, we can see the 2-column store with the left alignment. Here's the same page in 3, 4, and 5 columns. And finally, the product carousel style shop page. You can also choose how your product will look on the product page. Let's open some pre-made options. The standard style gives us the featured image and product details below. When you hover, you will see the centered product links. The centered style is the same as the standard one, but the alignment here is in the middle. The simple style is more focused on the featured image, and the most minimalistic one is the overlay style. Another great solution is the shop as site style, when the product links are located vertically and aligned to the right. Qwery is also super packed with the options for your blog. It's just to give you an idea about the number of options you have. Now let's return to our home page and try to customize something. Click Edit with Elementor on the top bar. Let's scroll down and click on the plus icon. Then select our structure. We got a full width section. Click plus again and choose the block on the left side. You can use the search field. I'll add some products. Drag it to our section. Now we can customize the look of our products. Let's display 4 products in 4 columns. And change layout to a centered one. It looks pretty nice. Now let's add another block. Again, click the plus icon, choose the section structure, and then add the element for this block. Let's add some maps. As you can see, you have several options out of the box. Let's go with the OpenStreetMap. Let's zoom it out a bit and change its height. If you want to add additional locations, navigate Markers and click on the Add Item button. I will copy the address from the first one and add the neighbor location. Great, now we have 2 locations marked on our map. When you're done with the customization, click on the Update button. Now I'll show you one of the most powerful features of Qwery, a late point booking. You can find its demo in Pages, Late Point Booking. This plugin allows you to create an ultimate booking system for your site. Your customers can choose the category, service, pick the agent, schedule an appointment within available time slots, and then provide their personal information and book it. It works nice and looks pretty well. And finally, I want to show you what Qwery offers for creatives. The theme is equipped with an extensive collection of portfolio layouts and visual effects that can be used in different combinations. You can mix some nice hover effects with creative grids, vertical and horizontal sliders, and carousels. As you can see, all of them have different design styles, animations, controls, and hover effects. And my favorite one is Text Style Portfolio. It looks awesome. And few words about hover effects and animation in your portfolio. They're super thought out in Qwery. You have a slide in style, slide waves, centered waves, accordion style with the interactive links, mouse hover info, text links, custom layouts with overlays, and much more. Qwery is one of the most ambitious projects on the market. Get it now. You can find a link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.